Ever wonder why some people feel calm about money, even without massive salaries, while others feel stressed no matter how much they earn? The secret isn't income, it's rules. Simple personal finance rules. And today, I'm sharing 5 that can completely change how you handle money. Rule 1. Create a budget. Not a boring one, just a clear plan so your spending stays below what you earn. When you tell your money where to go, it stops disappearing. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Save or invest a portion of your income the moment you get paid. Automating this makes building wealth almost effortless. Rule 3. Build an emergency fund. Life loves surprises. Having a minimum 3 to 6 months saved keeps one bad moment from becoming long-term debt. Rule 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. High-interest debt slows everything down. The less you owe, the more freedom you feel. Rule 5. Invest consistently. You don't need a lot to start, as starting is what matters. Small, steady investments grow over time. Follow these rules and money stops controlling you, you start controlling it. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. And subscribe to our channel for more such powerful videos.